In this video, you will learn how to fix Linkvertise 1 hour waiting issue. First, clear. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser setting and click clear browsing data. Select cookies and site data. Clear items and images and files. Restart your browser. Switch to incognito or private mode. When you open an incognito window, then paste the Linkvertise URL, then try again. Use a different browser or device. Sometimes the wait is tied to your browser extension. Try opening the link in another browser or another device. Change your IP. Restart your router to get a new IP for denying dynamic IPs, or use a VPN to switch your location or address. Wait it out if you're blocked. If everything else fails, wait 60 minutes for the cooldown. Avoid refreshing or clicking repeatedly, as this will keep extending your timer longer and longer. Now you know how to fix the 1 hour wait on Linkvertise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.